Hey guys, it's ArtSea, and today I'm going to be showing you the balisong trick called the tweak fan. And I'm going to be using the flame, which is a knife that you can buy on my site at artseabalisong.com, and you get free shipping. Free shipping! So the tweak fan is originally an intermediate trick. I wanted to add an ending that made more sense, and so that's why I'm calling this beginner, and it's my version. So I tweaked it, haha. So the original version does all the same steps I'm about to teach you. In the end, they don't close the knife like this. The knife just falls into the closing position. My version of it is the twist makes more sense and the closing makes more sense. It looks easy, but it's actually pretty hard to get down because you're doing the fan in a weird kind of grip, and it's also opposite of the normal fan. So if you want to learn fanning, which is what you should learn first, it's up above and in the description below. So fanning looks like this, right? And this is going to be, so fanning is counterclockwise. If you look at the direction this is spinning, that's counterclockwise. So this is going to be clockwise. So this is going to be opposite of fanning. And what I do to practice that, and I suggest you do before learning this, is I like to just twist the handle like this of the knife. And that will help you with the counterclockwise weird motion that you're not used to with fanning. So this is the grip you're going to have on the knife when you go and twist it. You're going to have your thumb on the safe handle, so you're holding the safe handle. You're not fully letting go of the bite handle yet because you need this motion. You need to have it still for this motion, and then when you send it off, it's going to go right above your 3 fingers. So you're going to have all 4 fingers on the back, a little bit overlapping the bite handle, and your thumb on the front. Okay? So, and you're going to be, here's the center of the handles. You're going to be a little bit lower than the center of the handles. You don't want to be too low. I found this to be way too hard to do the trick if you're way down here. My comfortable grip to do the trick is right here. So you're going to hold it like this, and you're going to hold it at this weird angle. Not fully horizontal, not fully vertical, but just a little diagonal angle. And when you're going to not come all the way rotated, but you're going to get your whole hand, and this feels unnecessary at first, but then you realize it gets the momentum down in order to do the rest of the trick. So you're going to go like this, you're going to push, you're going to throw the knife a little bit more opposite of where it just was, kind of pointing towards you. The blade is pointing towards you, right? And then when you flick it back, you want to make sure this bite handle goes above these 3 fingers, okay? And because this bite handle is going to swing backwards around this way, there's going to be 1.5 rotations, and then you're going to swing it back to the closing position. So another thing is when you have the knife, when you flip it towards you, you want to have the handle come out a little bit past your fingers. You don't want it to be fully closed because the next step requires it to be right here, but you also don't want it to be way over here. You just want it to be subtly past your fingers, so when you go like this, it's already past it, and then you can twist and close. Okay, so let's go over it one more time. So you're going to have your hand a little bit below the center, then you're going to be diagonal. You're going to throw the knife towards you and have the handles go a little past your fingers, okay? And then when you come back, you're going to snap and then go backwards 1.5 rotations and flip back up to close the knife. Thank you so much to all my Patreons that help and support me. You guys have really helped me to get amazing equipment in order to film these videos, so I appreciate your support. Hope you liked this tutorial. Please like, subscribe, and comment below any questions you have, and I'll make sure to answer them. Or DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is right here, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.